Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1968 Pontiac Tempest Custom. It is now an AM/FM radio, and since the customer requested use of the original connector instead of a new harness, we don't get that big increase in output power, and also there's no balance or fader function to test because it's a single speaker radio, or it might run into more than one speaker, but it has only one speaker output. So let's go ahead and turn on an AM. It's going to be a quick test.
We never hear from the president. Oh wait, no, I forgot.
Here's our AM.
Administration.
Okay, so now we're going to move over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets as the stations in my area for a quick test.
30, your contributions will...
We hear press.
And that takes care of that. There's just not much to test on an AM radio wired to the original connector. Just no balance or fader, no Bluetooth to mess with, no nothing. Just basically make sure the radio works on AM and FM, which it does. So I'm ready to probably start doing some packing. This is my 5th video today, so I have to pack all those jobs and get to the post office in a reasonable amount of time. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me to ask me about my options, prices, and turn times, because that information is all in the work order, and it'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. Once you've done that research and have my prices known to yourself, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. It's okay to call me just to get to know me and trust me a little bit. That's perfectly okay. I just trying to get around answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer, which just takes me too much off the bench where I need to be to get the work done. I get nothing done on the phone, guys. So please do that research before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching, listening. This comes from Brian in Sterling, Illinois. So thank you, Brian, for your business from Illinois. I've performed there when I lived in Missouri. I played some gigs in Illinois, so that was kind of fun. So we'll see you guys next time, and thank you very much.